See care in a new light at Madonna Rehabilitation Hospitals, where top medical minds lift you up, where the very best in specialized rehabilitation brings out your very best, where over 60 years of breakthroughs in research and technology spark your newfound strength. In our world-class hospitals, this is something greater than rehabilitation. It's renewed strength for life. Learn more at madonnarehab.org.
Good day, everybody, and welcome to Astronomy Daily for Wednesday, the 19th of July, 2023. My name is Tim Gibbs, and I will be your host for today. As usual, I have Hallie, my AI assistant, in the studio with me, and we are going to do a one-story Wednesday. One story from Hallie and one story from me. So over to you, Hallie, for your story of today.
Astronomy Daily, the podcast, with your host, Tim Gibbs.
Hi, Tim. Here's my story for today. Scientists discovered a glitched neutron star that obliterated an asteroid, then fired off a brilliant explosion. The powerful magnetic star blasted out a fast radio burst and changed its rotational speed as it ripped apart the space rock. A rapidly spinning neutron star with an incredibly powerful magnetic field glitched when it destroyed a space rock, a new study suggests. The neutron star SGR 1935 plus 2154, which is located an estimated 30,000 light-years away near the center of the Milky Way, appeared to glitch by very briefly changing its rational speed after an asteroid was pulled in by its gravity and ripped apart. The glitch consisted of the star changing its rotational speed while also releasing a fast radio burst, FRB, a powerful blast of radio waves. In a new study of the glitched star, astronomers can finally connect these mysterious bursts of radio energy to these extreme star corpses known as magnetars. Like all neutron stars, magnetars are born when a massive star runs out of fuel for nuclear fusion, a process that creates the outward energy needed to stop a star from collapsing under its own gravity. As the outer layers of the star are blown apart by a powerful supernova or star explosion, the inner core collapses, birthing a stellar remnant with the mass of the Sun squeezed into a width equivalent to the average city on Earth. 1 teaspoon of neutron star matter brought to Earth would therefore weigh 1 billion tons. The collapse also pushes together the magnetic field lines of the dying star, creating the universe's most powerful magnetic fields. Hence, this type of neutron star boasting a powerful magnetic field is known as a magnetar.
The Astronomy Daily Podcast.
Thanks for that, Hallie. And now here is a story from me. SpaceX aborts a Starlink satellite launch with 5 seconds left in the countdown. This was the second abort for SpaceX in less than a week. One of the company's Falcon 9 rockets, which was scheduled to launch 15 Starlink internet satellites from California's foggy Vandenberg Space Force Base on Wednesday, July the 19th, at 1:25 a.m. local time, but it wasn't to be. The launch team called off things just with 5 seconds left on the countdown clock. There are thousands of ways a launch can go wrong and only one way that it can go right, SpaceX Zach Lupin said during the webcast of the planned launch. Given that, we are overtly curious on the ground, and if the team or the vehicle sees anything that just looks even slightly off, they'll stop the countdown. SpaceX Atticus Vandera uttered very similar words on July 14th after the launch team called off the planned liftoff of a Falcon 9 topped with 54 Starlink satellites from Florida's Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. That rocket flew without incident the following day, acing its record-tying 16th mission. It's unclear at this point what caused Wednesday's abort. The mission team did not specify the issue during the webcast, which ended shortly after the launch was scrubbed. The weather was good enough for the launch, despite the thick fog at Vandenberg. Lupin said that the rocket and the Starlink satellites are in good health, as SpaceX aims to launch again soon. The company said via its Twitter account that it's targeting Wednesday, July the 19th for the next liftoff. Presumably that means a 24-hour delay with a launch Wednesday night California time, which is early Thursday morning, July the 20th.
The Astronomy Daily Podcast.
Now, don't forget, everybody, you can catch Steve on Monday and me on Friday with a full show. Thanks for listening to today's One Shot Wednesday. And also don't forget that you can download all episodes from spacenuts.io or from bytes.com. See you next time. Bye for now.
Thanks, Tim. TTFN.
The Astronomy Daily Podcast.
Bye.